Hello guys, welcome back. So here we have another question from GATE EE 2017 on network theory. The power supplied by the 25 volt source in the figure below is dash watt. So this is the circuit and here is our 25 volt voltage source. And if you notice R1 and R2 values they have not given, but they have mentioned the voltage and the current in R1 and R2 respectively. And here is a dependent current source. It is a current control current source which is of 0.4 I, and I is nothing but the current in this arm. So we need to find power supplied by the 25 volt voltage source. And if you notice the current is I, so the power will be 25 into I. So our objective is to find I. And generally if you take for an element, let's say this is V, if they're asking for power supplied, it is meant that it is supplying power. So if you take the I going from negative to positive terminal, so your power supplied will be V into I. So similarly for an element, if you want to do power consumed, then if you see it is going into the positive terminal, so it is traveling from plus positive terminal to negative terminal, so then your power consumed is plus Vi. So here in this case, what is your power consumed? It will be minus Vi. Similarly here power supplied will be minus Vi. So you can just take one convention. So even if this I is like coming into the circuit, then you can follow this convention. Okay, so stick to one convention, and depending on your arrow marks you can just turn. So if this is plus I in this direction it will be minus I, so that you are not confusing with both the convention. Okay, and even then if you are confused, you just take a case of a simple battery with a resistor. So if you see here, the current in this direction is positive, so the power supplied will be V into I. It is positive when it is in this direction. For the resistor, if you see, this is V. If you see, it is going from positive terminal to negative terminal, and it is power consumed here. So with this you can do it. Okay, so now coming back to our question, let me copy this. So these are all very straightforward question and easy to solve. So we need to find I here. So if you see, this is 25 and here there is a drop of 17 volt. So what will be this voltage? It will be 25 minus 17, which is 8 volts. And if you see 8 volt and 14 ampere is flowing. And for the current, if you see 0.4 I is coming here, I is coming here, and that is equal to 14. So 1.4 I is equal to 14 ampere. So I is equal to 10 ampere. So now you have I and V. So what is the power supplied? So since I is positive here, it is plus 25 into 10, which is equal to 250 watt. So this is a very easy and straightforward question. So your answer is 250.